to see today what my car was converted into, which is Dylan's new race car.
We were thinking it'd be really cool to be able to take Danila, the old owner of the car, for a ride. She thinks that we're just gonna show her the car and be like, wow, cool, look at how shiny and awesome it is. But unbeknownst to her, she's about to get in the passenger seat and she's gonna go for a ride around the legendary Irwindale Speedway. So, I was thinking, we did get special permission. Would you like to go for a ride?
I would love to.
Yeah.
I would love to.
Let's do it. I think we should do it. Let's do it.
I get to go for a ride, and I am excited. Nervous, but excited at the same time. Okay, my heart's still beating. I thought I was going to faint for a minute there, but it was so much fun. I want to thank K&N for this experience. It's been an amazing day, and it was just something I would have never imagined, and I really appreciate it.